If you're after a bare bones, super affordable bull bar for your 2004 and newer F-150, then the Barricade 3.5-inch option shown here in black might just be for you. This extremely popular bull bar will combine a painted stainless steel build with that popular 3.5-inch diameter, all for right around $100, making this thing one of the most affordable of its kind on the site. The Barricade will bolt into place, but since this thing will fit a wide variety of trucks, some light trimming might be necessary for the lower air dam area. Either way, we're going to call this a strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and we will have a quick walkthrough later in the video. So 2 quick and important things to point out here with this Barricade. First and foremost, it's the most affordable bull bar in the 3.5-inch category. Secondly, it's also going to be the most popular as well, with 100+ 5-star reviews on the site. And with that said, feel free to check out the numerous positive reviews and customer submitted images of this product. That way you'll get a better idea of what to expect when you pull the trigger on this thing for your own rig at home. But why go with a bull bar in the first place? Well, there will be some minor protection benefits from smaller impacts both on or off-road, but I definitely wouldn't consider this thing a full-blown piece of armor, as that simply will not be the case. On top of that added minor protection, a bull bar helps deliver a look a lot of truck owners really dig, while also giving you some options to mount some auxiliary lighting. Now, I will say, if you had your heart set on a bull bar and auxiliary lighting, Barricade actually offers another option on the site, their HD, that incorporates a 20-inch dual-row LED light bar to the center section here. Definitely check that thing out if you really want to add some auxiliary lighting. It can also be found in polished as well for around $300. But getting back to the Barricade here, guys, and again, you're going to be looking at a traditional or basic design when it comes to bull bars, and that is the single hoop design with the crossbar, and then finally the incorporated skid plate down below. Now, the entire bar has been made from 3.5-inch tubular stainless steel, and then is finished off in a durable black paint. Just a quick heads up here, guys, the entire package is also backed by a 3-year warranty in case you should run into any issues. Now, again, if you are a fan of that flash, Barricade offers the same exact product that we have on the table here in a polished finish for a couple bucks more. And they also offer a slightly smaller version, a 3-inch version in both black and polished, that will be even more affordable than the option that we have here. So again, you have some options when shopping bull bars. Feel free to check them all out on our site if you haven't already done so. But let's switch gears and talk about the installation. And to give you a better idea of what's expected with this job, here is a tech with a brief walkthrough.
And our first step is going to be to remove the lower plastic portion of our bumper. You can use an upholstery tool or a screwdriver. We just need to gain access to the frame rails here and here. Just be careful if you're going to reuse this later, so you don't break anything. Now that we removed the plastic bottom portion, we have access to the frame rails, so we're going to now attach these U-bolts, which are going to bolt onto these brackets. These brackets are going to hold on the bull bar. So just put the U-bolt through the first hole, and then we're going to come out the other hole. Now we're going to put the bracket up. Now it's time for a good old bolt. With the bracket in place, we're just going to snug up the 17mm bolts, but do not over tighten because we may need to adjust it later. Now we're going to do the same steps for the other side. U-bolt through the hole, and then out the other hole. So now we're gonna attach the brackets to the bull bar. There's one for each side, and make sure you put them on the right side. You're also gonna need a 13mm bolt with a locking washer and a flat washer. Just place it on. Start the threads by hand. And then when you're tightening it, just tighten it down so it stays snug, but we don't need to fully tighten it yet. Again, same bolt combo on the right side. And the reason we're not fully tightening is we may need to do some adjustment when we put it on the truck. Now, with your brackets on, just grab a friend and we're just gonna pull this up and bolt it up to place. We have the bull bar on our brackets. Now it's gonna be time to place it where we want it, and then we're gonna tighten up all the bolts. It's also a good chance to be able to put up a light bar or any light posts that you want and then be able to easily wire it into the truck. With our bull bar fully tightened, it's now just time to place back our plastic lower bumper. Just line up the little plastic tabs and then just place in. A little bit of force. And that wraps up my install of Barricade's 3.5-inch black bull bar. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.